sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Guys, this is just a little brief description of what's happened. Customer came in saying his blaster's blocking up the barrel with gels. Upon inspection, there is part of the rack of the piston missing. It's obviously lodged itself into the gears. There is a couple teeth missing there, and in doing that, the torque from just a standard gearbox shim job has caused the gear to fail as well. So, going to assume it's either because it's a cast rack or its angle of engagement wasn't correct, AOE, and that's caused the failure here. So these cast parts aren't exactly that strong, and that's why we always recommend going to higher quality gears